A lot of our customers ask, what is different about multimodal from other agentic AI platforms like Microsoft Copilot Studio? It is a phenomenal question. Microsoft Copilot Studio is a horizontal platform tackling horizontal use cases that are simpler in nature. So things like email automation, go-to-market automation, customer support, especially workflows that play nicely with the Microsoft 365 suite. That's what Copilot Studio is largely going to go and solve for. They solve for horizontal use cases because at Microsoft scale, in order to go and make a dent in the way that they operate their business, they need to solve a lot of use cases that they can go rinse and repeat on. But that is limiting for some of the complex workflows that exist for some of our customers. So we cater to finance and insurance. We've built out a vertical specific agentic AI platform. We're tackling the most complex middle and back office processes that exist in these two verticals. These workflows include things like loan origination, account opening, claims processing, distribution, and underwriting. In order to solve for this, you actually need to not only create the right prompts, which of course that's simple and easy to do, but you actually need to incorporate company and even workflow specific knowledge into the AI agents through things like instruction fine tuning. So you're actually adjusting model weights, making them better on the specific tasks that are involved in those workflows. And in order to do that, you need to have that vertical domain knowledge. You need to be able to allow for more complex setups. You need to be able to do the complex implementations that are involved, particularly when you work with some of the authority systems of record and workbenches that are present in insurance and finance. You need to also get partners like systems integrators that know how to do this. And so for these more complex workflows and processes, Copilot Studio is not going to help solve for this. They can help for some of the workflows you have, and they should definitely be part of your arsenal as you think about agentic AI. But multimodal is built for the very complex, high domain knowledge processes that you have. That's where multimodal fits in. And I think in the future, you'll see other vertical specific agentic AI platforms as well. Platforms that are built out for healthcare or government or manufacturing or industrials. And so I think the vertical SaaS players or vertical agentic AI platforms that are emerging don't have too much to worry about from some of the horizontal players like a Microsoft Copilot Studio, but the market does need to be aware of the differences. And that's on all of us to go and educate, inspire, explain, show why a vertical specific agentic AI platform is the right platform of choice for some of the most complex workflows, while then using the Copilot Studios of the world to solve for the simpler, more horizontal use cases. That's where multimodal fits in. We're the agentic AI platform of choice for the specific verticals that we cater to, finance and insurance.